play for JPETROV Academy. I'm 17 years old, and I've been playing since I was 4. And what I like about these training jerseys is they fit tight, nice and comfortable, and I like the design on them, the shield, and I like the colors, they stand out. What I like about this uniform is that it's light and it's breathable, and I like it because it's tight.
Hi, my name is Alex Goulet. I've been playing soccer my whole life, and with this new kit I came with a backpack, and this backpack I use for basically everything. The pockets I use to store like my creams, my bandages and stuff like that. It has this nice big pocket right here that I put all my uniforms and stuff, and my cleats. Then I also have this pocket here in the back where I put all my dirty clothes, and you know, I use some of these pockets here, you know, to put my phone, my wallet, and a bunch of other things that I need. And it's just very accessible, very good, all the pockets I use, and it's a great bag altogether.
Hi, I'm Jeff Rubin. I'm a 2001 parent. I'm also the club administrator for JPETROV Academy. We chose G5 because the quality is equal or better than any of the big name brands. And furthermore, what we got with using G5 is we were able to stretch our dollars and get a much better kit for our players and our coaches. What you usually get with a big name brand is your usual kit of just jerseys, socks, and shorts. And with G5, with the same amount of money, if not less, we were able to add things like cold weather gear, warm-ups, bags, training gear, hats, and again, the quality is superior or better than the big name brands, and that's why we chose G5.
My name is Petrov. I'm the founder of the JPETROV Academy, and I'm so happy they're using the G5 uniform for our players and for our academy.